What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. Yep, we up at it again, y'all. This time we are going to remove this rotor slash drum. This is a Chrysler 300. We are replacing the parking brake shoes. You ever done that? Well, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna start off. You're gonna need a 15 millimeter to unscrew this bolt right here, and you might need a bigger wrench. I believe I'm using a 16 millimeter to hold this down. You need to hold this down if it's turning while you're turning this, okay? See how it's turning? You need to secure this so you can unscrew the bolt. But you have this one up here and that one right there at the bottom, okay? So let's go ahead and take this out. If you had a ratchet, it'll be easier. All right, let's go to the top. All right, now for the top piece, there we go. Now we can slide this off. Everybody, you might need a pry bar or flathead screwdriver or something to remove the caliper. This is pretty much easy going for us. As you can see, if you haven't noticed, we just did the brakes on this. We just replaced these. If y'all haven't seen that video, check it out. It is in our catalog. All right, let's go ahead and slide these out. And now we'll remove this hanger. Okay, we got our deep socket. This is an 18 millimeter with a 1/2 inch ratchet. I'm starting with the bottom mounting bolt for this caliper hanger. That's one. There we go. All right, everybody. They normally have a tool for this, but we don't have one, so it looked like when we got the tires put on, it looks like they damaged this right here, because this is not how it was when we put it back, well, when we installed it. But that's cool, no problem. You can replace these. I believe they sell them at your local neighborhood parts store or whatever. There you go. Just want to pop these off right quick. You just slide the drum off. These are our new shoes that we're installing. There it is. Let's go ahead and remove these springs. You can either start with this side or the other side. It really is all about preference. If you had a straight needle nose, would probably work a lot better. There we go. Now for this side, there we go. Now for these, they just slide off. You push, basically that's it. and they come off. You slide that off. And we'll just match this up. So it will be like so, and like so. Alright, so let's go ahead and mount this up here. We are not going to do any super or any major cleaning. Go ahead and hang it up. Now, let's go ahead and move these out of the way. There we go. There we go. And remove this bottom one. The same thing, you just push and slide forward. Okay, there we go. Everybody, let's go ahead and put the switch on. The hook goes into here at the bottom though. So just hook like so. And there it is. Now we'll just line it up. It's all right for now. Okay. We'll set this up right here. This basically just sits up here. That's pretty much it, y'all. There ain't nothing to it. Really nothing to it. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and mount this spring. Like so. There it is. All right, it's hooked on there. Let's go ahead and install our adjustment. Might have to open it up just a hair. There we go. There it is, y'all. Got your brake pads on there, and if you need to adjust it, you would be turning this. Okay. There we go. All right, let me put the drum back on. Everybody, we'll go ahead and slap our rotor. All right, and we'll go ahead and put our blocks as they were. That's it, y'all. That's the bottom. There go the top. Let's pull that in with a ratchet. Alright, there it is. There it is, y'all. Now let's move forward. Everybody, we already have the back or the inside pad on. We just have to slap the outside pad back on. Just like so. And make sure you open up your master cylinder before you even compress this. You have to compress it with some C-clamps. I like to use C-clamps. Alright. So normally I would use a board with this or something else, but I don't have all those right now. So this is, I guess, a somewhat an emergency tactic here. If you don't have all your proper tools and you're just trying to get out of a bind, okay? Don't be doing no brake work like this, y'all. So you just want to press that caliper in like so. Again, you have to have your master cylinder cap wide open for this. You do not want to do it when it's closed. Alright, let's go ahead and remove everything. Good to go. It's compressed. And just slide it all back. Alright, now we'll just go ahead and slap our bolt on top. We got to start it. I'm going to go ahead and screw in the bottom one. If you need to see how I screw that bolt in down there, you don't need to be doing this.